To buy puts on Robinhood. Start by opening the Robinhood app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy a put option for. Select the stock from the search results and click on it to go to its detail page. On the stock's detail page, click on the Trade button and select Buy from the drop-down menu. Then select Options from the menu and choose the expiration date and strike price of the put option you want to buy. The strike price is the price at which you can sell the stock if you choose to exercise the option. Put options give you the right, but not the obligation, to sell a stock at the strike price. When you buy a put option, you are betting that the price of the stock will go down. After selecting the expiration date and strike price, choose the number of contracts you want to buy. One contract is equal to 100 shares of the stock. Review your order and make sure everything is correct, including the expiration date, strike price, and number of contracts. Then click on the Review button and confirm your order. The cost of the put option will be deducted from your account and you will now own the put option. It is essential to have a clear understanding of put options and how they work before buying them. Put options involve risk and can result in significant losses if not used properly. Always do your research and consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. It is also crucial to have a solid understanding of the fees associated with buying and selling options on Robinhood. By following these steps and doing your research, you can successfully buy put options on Robinhood and potentially profit from a decline in the stock price.